Hi guys, I'm so happy to see you today. We are going to talk some more about what animal? That's right, birds. Today, Marshall's going to tell us about a very important part of a bird's body. Can anybody guess what it is? Not the wings, not the feet. We're going to talk about a bird's... That's right, but we don't call birds noses. They have a very special name for their nose body part. What's that special name?
A beak.
A beak. Can you guys say that word? Good job. Now, different birds have different kinds of beaks. Their beaks are like a tool for the birds, and Marshall's going to tell us more about it. Let's go ahead, Marshall.
What we have right here is a cardinal. Their beaks are thick and short, so they can crack open nuts, like nuts and seeds, like a cracker.
You guys see that? Look it back up. See their beak? It's not very big, but it's very thick and very strong because they have to crack open hard nuts and hard seeds to eat what's inside. What's the next bird?
An eagle.
Ooh, look at that eagle. Look at that beak, guys.
Their beaks are short and hooked so that they can tear apart meat like a shredder.
You guys see that? It has a hook on it because what do eagles usually eat?
Animals.
And fish.
And fish.
And they gotta rip it open to eat it up. It's like a knife right on the edge of their nose. The edge of their beak, I mean.
They don't have teeth, so they can't chew.
Cool.
A flamingo has a beak with little things. They use their beaks to filter out shrimp from the water and go through mud like a strainer.
Like a strainer or a scooper, and you scoop up in the sand, and the sand falls down. That's what their beaks look like. So the bottom of their beak has that. Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at this guy. Look at his beak. What's that, Marshall?
That's a pelican. When a pelican dives down, and its beak has a pouch underneath it that expands, so it can hold lots of fish.
Cool.
Herons' beaks are long and thick, and they use their big necks.
You guys see that beak?
They use their necks are curved, so they'll wade over the water, and then they'll go down real fast and catch a fish with their beaks.
Cool.
This is a yellow-rumped warbler. Their bills are pointed and thin. They use it to They use it to just pick up bugs and eat them.
Like little tweezers.
Like little tweezers.
Can you guys do that with your fingers? Pinch, pinch, pinch. Cool.
These beaks are flat, and they use the mallard, the duck will use it. They'll tip underwater, and they'll kind of like a flamingo. It's like a strainer too. They'll filter out little plants in the water. Hummingbird beaks are long and thin, and they have long tongues to get into the nectar and flowers, kind of like a butterfly. Their beaks are kind of like tubes.
So it's like drinking out of a straw.
Yeah. A spoonbill's beak is long and it's flat on the end, kind of like a spoon, and it's also kind of like a spatula. And they'll use it to stir up mud underneath the water, and they'll eat all the bugs that they scare off.
A spatula is the tool that you use to make pancakes. It's very flat, and you flip up pancakes. That's what the spoonbill does, to flip up food to eat. Cool.
And finally, we got a woodpecker. Its beak is very strong, and and they use it to peck into trees to make holes to find the bugs that are living in the trees. It's like a chisel.
So their beaks have to be super strong because they bang that hard tree. That little tiny bird can bang that tree so hard that it makes a hole for a nest or to find some food. Is that it?
Yes.
Cool.
That is it.
So next time you guys are looking at birds, look at their beaks and see what different kinds of beaks they have. It's pretty neat. Birds are pretty interesting animals, if you ask Marshall. All right, I have one of my favorite books to read to you guys today. It's kind of a silly one, but it's still about my favorite bird, the pigeon. You guys see the pigeon? You guys know Miss Sarah loves the pigeon books. And this book is called The Pigeon Finds a Hot Dog. Guess what else Miss Sarah loves? Hot dogs, too. What kind of beaks do pigeons have, Marshall?
They have beaks that can be used for smaller seeds and insects. They're multi-purpose. Different things.
Pigeons eat lots of different food?
Yes, pigeons will eat whatever they can find.
All right. The name of this book is The Pigeon Finds a Hot Dog by Mo Willems. One of Miss Sarah's and my family's, Marshall's too, favorite authors. The pigeon finds a hot dog. Ooh, a hot dog! Yummy, 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 yummy. Ah. And now look. May I help you? Who's coming? It's the little duck. Is that a hot dog? How does the pigeon's face look? He's kind of annoyed, doesn't he? I don't think he wants to share that hot dog. Pigeon says, not a hot dog, my hot dog. Ah. I have a question. I've never had a hot dog before. What do they taste like? Now look at Pigeon's face. What's he thinking now? Well, they are a taste sensation. Each morsel is a joy, a celebration in a bun. Look at the duck writing all that down. If you've never experienced the splendor of a hot dog, you should really wait a second. This hot dog is mine. I found it. Of course. Enjoy. Look at poor Pigeon's face. Go ahead. Ah, would you say that it tastes like chicken? Now look at Pigeon's face. He's like, just let me eat my hot dog. Can you believe this guy? What? It just tastes like a hot dog! Okay. So, it doesn't taste like chicken then. Now look at the pigeon. He's really had it. He is angry. Oh, for Pete's sake. Hey, I'm just a curious little bird. That's it! Ooh, he said that really loud, didn't he? It's my hot dog, all right? Mine. This is unbelievable. Finders keeper is what I say. I'm a curious bird where they taste like blah, 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 blah. Yeah, right. I can't take it anymore. What am I supposed to do? What do you guys think he's supposed to do? What's going to happen? I think I've got an idea. You know, you're pretty smart for a duckling. What do you guys think? What was his idea? That's right. They split it in half and now they can share it. That's so nice. Even though that pigeon gets really mad sometimes, he remembered that it's always nicer to share. And then the little duckling says, I think it needs some mustard. The end. That was a good one. What a silly book. That pigeon always makes me laugh. All right, guys, we have one more thing to learn about. We're going to talk about the letter F, because F is what feathers start with. And since we're talking about birds, all birds have what on their body?
Feathers.
That's right. So we're going to talk about the letter F. Let's get started. All right, guys, the letter F is super easy to make. All you need is one big line. If you have some sticks, get one big stick, and it goes straight down. And then we need two little lines that go across. One at the top, and it goes across. And then one in the middle, and it goes across. And there's the letter F. Let's look at it on the page. You guys ready? Look at that. There's lots of F's on this page. Let's look at this one. There we go. One straight line down, and then a little line across, and a little line across. Let's try it again. One big line down, then a little line across, and then another little line across, and we have the letter F. Let's trace it one more time. One big line down, and a little line across, and a little line across. And there it is, the little letter F. F for frog, F for fish, F for feathers, like our friends the birds have. Let's do it one more time with our stick. Ready? One big line down and two little lines across. Awesome. All right, guys, that was really fun. We learned so much today. We learned more about birds. We learned about a bird's
Beak.
That's right. We read a really silly book. We learned about the letter
F.
F. That's right, the letter F for feathers. I'm so proud of you guys for all this hard work you're doing. We will talk some more about birds next time I see you, okay? You guys keep working on your letters and keep looking for birds outside. Look at their beaks and look at their feathers. All right, my friends? I will talk to you soon. I miss you and I love you. Bye. Mwah, mwah.